Hey everybody, what's up? This is Imran from the Biker Crew UAE. Thanks for joining me. Now most of you guys know that our local Formula 1 track is the Yas Marina circuit in Abu Dhabi. Now for us bikers, they divide it into the North Circuit and the South Circuit. So in order to help the beginner track day enthusiast, I've put together a tutorial lap of the North Circuit. Before we begin, remember to hit that subscribe button to support the channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. Now, this is not for advanced riders and is purely a beginner's guide. Right. The green zones denote acceleration and the red zones are where you roll off the throttle. So, let's get to it in this video from the Biker Crew UAE. We begin on the start-finish straight, climbing up to 4th gear, about 200 kilometers an hour. Roll off the throttle and brake hard and shift down to 2nd gear for turn 1. The apex is in the center of the corner. Keep the throttle steady and stay in 3rd gear for turn 2 and turn 3. Both apexes are in the center of the corners. Accelerate and shift up to 4th as the track curves to the left. Brake hard after you pass the Pirelli billboard and shift down to 2nd gear for turn 4. Stay in 2nd for the quick shift of direction for turn 5. Accelerate, but stay in 2nd before rolling off and braking for the hairpin that is turn 6. Accelerate out of the corner and shift up to 4th gear. Brake hard and shift back down to 2nd gear for turn 7 and turn 8, shifting directions fast. Accelerate as you pass turn 9 to get onto the back straight again, shifting up to 5th gear. Brake hard and shift down to 2nd for the double apex that greets you at turn 10 and turn 11.
Accelerate towards turn 11 and stay in 2nd for turn 12.
You are back on the start-finish straight and accelerating hard, and that is a lap of the North Circuit at Yas. I hope that this tutorial will help you get a better understanding of the north layout of the Yas Marina circuit. Thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.